Hi, small business owners. This is a thing that a few people have asked me about, so I'm going to just run through how to unlist a Google My Business listing, because people put up Google My Business listings and sometimes they want to remove them, but it's not that easy. So I'm just going to run through that here. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to your Google page, your Google search screen. That's this one here. You want your logo of the business that you're going to be looking up. So you want the account that you manage it with showing in your top right hand corner. Then you go here and you look for the Google My Business Manager and click on that, and it'll bring you up on your page with your business. Now, I've got a separate screen open here because if I press that button, it'll bring up dozens of Google My Business accounts and you won't see the screen. You see the screen if you just manage one business. If you manage more than one, then you'll see a screen that lists all the businesses and you click the one you want. So this is the business here, and if I wanted to take this business off Google, what I'd do is you'd go to edit profile, and then it's a really strange place to have it. You go to your hours, and then when you go to adjust your hours, you see you actually have the option here of temporary closing or permanently closing. You just hit the permanent close button and then save it, and that is it. Now, whether your business will actually drop off Google Maps or not is up to Google. It will drop off eventually, but I mean, it can hang around for a long time before it drops off. But that's told Google that you're no longer operating the business, and it will at some stage disappear from the Google My Business listings. Okay, well, I hope that's helped you, and yeah, I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.